Do you want to create professional YouTube thumbnails without any design skills? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to make eye-catching,
Want professional YouTube thumbnails without spending hours designing? In this video, I'll show you how I create stunning thumbnails using ChatGPT and Lovert AI. First, I open ChatGPT and describe my video topic. ChatGPT generates a detailed prompt with design, style, colors, text, and composition. Next, I copy the prompt. And paste it into Lovert AI. A detailed prompt usually gives much better results than a simple one. Now Lovert turns the prompt into enter text ... a professional-looking YouTube thumbnail in just a few moments. In just a few moments. This saves a lot of time and helps create. Eye-catching designs. Here is the final thumbnail. You can use this workflow for YouTube videos, Facebook ads, blogs, and many other projects. If you need professional YouTube thumbnails, AI-generated videos, or complete YouTube SEO services, I'd be happy to help. Feel free to message me through my LinkedIn or Facebook page. My contact details are in the description. Let's grow your channel together.
A great thumbnail is the key to getting more clicks. Use bold text, clear visuals, and strong contrast to improve your click-through rate.